A recent study from Johns Hopkins Medicine has unveiled the mystery of how birds evolved the remarkable ability to fly, emphasizing the key role of the cerebellum in this adaptation. Researchers found increased cerebellum activity during flight, connecting modern birds to their ancient relatives. This discovery reshapes our understanding of flight evolution. Dr. Gabriel Biver highlights the importance of these findings, suggesting that brain evolution may be linked to diverse locomotion styles, including flight. This study opens doors for further research into the cerebellum's specific areas responsible for flight, deepening our understanding of this extraordinary adaptation.